So one of the glues out there that people like to use a lot is called E6000, and it is used a lot for things that move, rubbery things like shoes, like these Converse shoes or like high heels. So it's a very popular glue, but it's very messy and hard to work with. So I love our precision glue kit because you can put some in a syringe and then you can put it out precisely to get what you need. So to do that, you would open up your syringe and open up your E6000, squeeze a little bit in, and cap it off. And then you're just going to put your plunger in and push it up. And you do all that before you add the tip. And you can choose different size tips. So we have 14 gauge is one of the most popular sizes for E6000, but there's several different gauges depending on the size of crystals you're using. So you might want to have 2 or 3 syringes out at the same time. So if you're using like a big stone or a smaller stone or a variation of stones, you can have all your glue ready to go with a few at a time. And then it's determined by the size of the gauge here. And so you would squeeze your dots out, add your crystals, and voila, way easier. You can get our precision glue kit, the E6000, all of these wonderful items at dreamtimecreations.com.